Okay, there's the lines and the issues. Now, zero it, looks like that. I can lower the position here. Move this over just a little bit. This is what's weird. So I go like this. Now if I adjust, see it goes down, but then at 200, it goes and nothing happens here. If I leave it at 200 and I adjust this, nothing happens. Change the volts per division, it still goes wider. The family of steps doesn't do anything when it's like that. Polarity does nothing. Now if I go back, I lost the signal. I don't know where it went. There it is again. If I bring it back, I go back to where it was, 1000. Bring it back up. It disappeared. Now, this doesn't happen last night when I was doing it. I was doing other things. So this is something new. Look at that. Now it's weird. There we go. Now I got the steps down at volts per step, 0.1. If I go into the milliamps, does that. Now if I go back up here, there we go, 1000. 1000 collector milliamps. If I put it, the step selector into the milliamps, it disappears again. Or I think it went way up. I don't know where it went. So that's what it's doing. Weird stuff.